This time you see my pear, my avocado pear tree is the other host that it has covered. You have to bear with me because I'm holding the camera and I'm harvesting at the same time. So sometimes the camera goes off. The camera goes off. Its target goes off and I'm not even seeing, I'm not even showing you the right thing. Yeah. The leaves also are good. They do almost a similar thing to the plant, to the flowers. So you can also make tea with the leaves. Make it to drink.